Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like the issues of Shatta Wale are not going to come to an end very soon. I mean, until probably he releases his most anticipated Gift of God album. We all remember his issues with his former manager, Bulldog, which got Bulldog to Facebook to release a part of a track list of his Gift of God album. This particular action by Bulldog did not sit well with Shatta Wale, and Shatta Wale took some actions against his former manager, Bulldog. Shatta Wale made some statements. The statements were quite sensitive. Yes, he mentioned that his former manager, Bulldog, told him something about the death of Kwokes's former manager, Fennec. Already, Bulldog had been associated with the death of Fennec, but then he was cleared of all his charges some years ago. And again, he mentioned that Bulldog told him about former President John Mahama, telling him to get some gunmen to carry out some activity. The Ghana Police Service released a statement at that time that they were in touch with Shatta Wale, and then they were helping them. Shatta Wale was helping them carry out investigations on the various matters. Something that nobody expected has happened. The issue has taken a serious twist. Bulldog has sued Shatta Wale at the Accra High Court. Yes, most of us did not expect this to happen, but then it's real. Bulldog has sued Shatta Wale at the Accra High Court, and I have the details here with me, and Bulldog has made some 9 solid claims. Yes, 9 solid claims. We'll be going into that, but then before we go into that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. Yes, hit that subscription button. Do not forget also leave the post notification bell on so you do not miss any video on this channel, and then like the video and share. So yes, this is the court notice. The court notice, that's the writ of summons. So the registrar, Accra High Court, in the High Court of Justice. Now it is between Lawrence Nana Asiama Hansen, that is Bulldog, and then Charles Nyama Mensah Jr. We all know that's Shatta Wale. So he said, so Bulldog is the plaintiff, and then Shatta Wale is the defendant. It's like an action having been commenced against you by the issue of this is raised by the above named plaintiff, Lawrence Nana Asiama Hansen, alias Bulldog. You are hereby commanded that within 8 days after service of this rate on you, inclusive of the day of service, you do cause an appearance to be entered for you. Shatta Wale is expected to appear in court within 8 days. And then he said, Charles Nyama Mensah, alias Shatta Wale, Bandana, whatever. And then he said, and take notice that in default of you so doing, judgment may be given in your absence. It means if Shatta Wale refuses to appear before the court, judgment will be given in his absence, and then he'll be forced to serve the judgment. That's what the law says. Let's go to a bit details of the charges Bulldog has labeled against Shatta Wale. Yes, it is defamation, but then he has made some statement that most of us saw them on social media. So he said, particulars of the defamation. This is one of them. That then on about November 2nd, the defendant is Shatta Wale, made a defamatory publication on his Facebook page about the plaintiff, the particulars of the defamation, and they quoted it. He said, Bulldog, since you are bringing out secrets, you will tell Ghanaians what happened to Fennec's murder, and I'm not joking about this time. I am ready to tell the court about what you told me about you and your men and how you planned that foolish act, and get ready. This Akufo-Addo won't give you another chance to be on our streets. Watch how this ends. You can't fight me. Now, Shatta Wale said he's ready to defend it in court. Let's see how it goes. And then about John Mahamed's issue also, particulars of defamation. They have quoted it in the court statement. They said, you said Mahama said you should go hard on Akufo-Addo. Your own mouth for 2 laughing emojis. Why are you a dick, Bulldog? Bulldog has made 9 solid claims. 9 solid claims. Let's check out those claims. And it's serious, oh. It's serious. So he said, therefore, the plaintiff claims from the defendant as follows. First one, a declaration of the court that the series of publications made by the defendant as particulated in the statement of claim are defamatory to the plaintiff. Okay, so Shatta Wale should agree that those particular statements that he made are defamatory to Bulldog. Okay, and second, he said a declaration of the court. So the court should declare that, okay, those statements are defamatory claims. Okay. And then second, he said a declaration of the court that the series of publications made by the defendant, that's Shatta Wale, in the statements of claim are malicious, not true, malicious. And then thirdly, an order of the court directed at the defendant to, on all his social media pages or accounts, make a publication on 7 consecutive days, an unqualified retraction of unreserved apology to the defamatory words that the defendant has published about the plaintiff, such as retraction and apology to the to be verified and approved by the plaintiff's lawyers. Bulldog is saying, that's the third one, Shatta Wale should take to his social media handles where he defamed him 7 consecutive days, apologize to him, and retract all the statements he has made against him. And then fourth one, an order of the court for perpetual injunction restraining the defendant, his agents, workmen, signs, and servants from publishing or further publishing of the defamatory words against the plaintiff. Now, an order by the court, the people around Shatta Wale, even his fans, should stop people from making the publications or like republishing those statements that Shatta Wale made about Bulldog on his social media handles. And then the thief claim, general charges for defamation. Shatta Wale should be charged for defaming Bulldog. And then 6, special charges for defamation. Bulldog is serious. General charges and then special charges. Okay, and then the 7th one, what's this? Plaintiff damages for malicious publication of falsehood against the plaintiff. Hey. And then 8, costs and any other or remedies that the court may deem fit. So any other thing that the court may think that Shatta Wale will have to do, the court should do it. That is, if the court feels that Shatta Wale has to go to prison, the court is free to do it. So that is what is happening right now. We'll be following this case closely. Yes, in the next 7-8 days, I know that everything about this issue would come out. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. And if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the button. Hit the subscription button, like the video, and share. See you in the next video.